Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So today I am going to show you how to create ledger in Jainam Software. So go to the ledger, you can see create. Now there is ledger entry form. Go to the create. Now there is ledger group and ledger. Now you can create group also. Now I am creating ledger. In under parent group, in this case, you have to decide in which parent you want to make ledger. So I am taking here direct expenses and ledger name, employee, salary, and just save this entry. Now you can see the ledger list. So here you can see add to favorite option. In Jainam Software, there is a good facility that you can add and remove the list of ledger. So now whatever I want to add, I just add to the ledger. The bank account, just click on the add. Coffee expenses I want to add, and I'm just click on the add. After that, document charges is there. When document charge is paid, the entry will go to the debit. Then just click on the add. After that, interest received I want to add to the favorite. So you can see I have added some list of my ledger, and the below list, in this case whatever you want to remove, just click on the option and go to the remove. See, the list of your favorite ledger is created. Now how to create the opening balance I will show you. In the ledger opening balance, select ledger. I am selecting this Jainam Bank, and I want to add 1 lakh rupees to the bank. So bank entry will go to the debit. When the cash goes to the bank, the entry will go to the debit, and just add it. So after that, in accounting option, you can see the cash withdrawal. So for business purpose, if you withdraw cash from bank, then select the bank from here. Suppose 25,000 you want to withdraw, and the narration, loan, disbursement on this date. So just save this entry. And the journal entry, in this, suppose from 25,000, some coffee expenses you paid, so 500 rupees debited, and how you paid from cash or bank. So we can take here cash 500 and just save this entry. This type you can create this journal entry and ledger. So like our channel from YouTube and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.